The Nike Air Zoom Huarache 2K4 White and Varsity Red is officially making its long-awaited comeback in summer 2026, strengthening Nike's growing revival of the iconic 2K4 line. This return highlights Nike's renewed archival care, especially with classic builds that shaped mid-2000s basketball performance. Featuring a white leather upper, balanced with varsity red accents and black detailing, the design stays true to the original 2004 shape, something longtime fans and collectors have been asking for. The signature sculpted heel counter and Zoom Air cushioning keep its performance DNA untouched, honoring the model that Kobe Bryant helped turn into an early Nike favorite. With the recent announcement of Penny Hardaway and Sue Bird PEs joining the 2026 lineup, this release adds even more momentum to the comeback wave. Priced at $190, the pair will be available through Nike basketball retailers and Nike.com. Expect strong demand for this classic return colorway.